Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the Bloodlust palette review. Started off by using the NYX matte liquid liner. And then after this, I went back in with an angled brush and I used the shade Executioner from the palette just to fill that in and give it that extra matte look with some of the shimmer that it has. Next step, I'm going to be going in with the Blood Queen shade. Now this next shade I am deeply in love with. It's the Vile Serpent. It's like this blue-green shade. Amazing color. Definitely one of my top favorite shades in the palette. And of course, I always change my mind. So I ended up creating a brand new wing. So I'm gonna be removing this one and going with something a little bit more out. The next step that I did was just give that brow bone that little highlight. So I'm using the shade Your Majesty. Alright, so now it's time to put on a face. I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Beige. Oh, and it's also my first time using the Magic Star concealers, which by the way are also incredible. And I'm going to be using the shade C13. And what I like to do also before I blend out that concealer is just give it a little spray with some setting spray. Definitely helps out blend the concealer. You don't have to. I just prefer doing that. And to be honest, blending this concealer out was so easy. It was like butter, and the finish to it was incredible. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to be using the Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder in the shade Original. Next step is one of my favorite bronzers from Too Faced, the chocolate bronzer in medium deep, which to be honest also smells incredible. Now I'm going to be contouring the face. And just to give the skin that extra little glow, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Bronzer. I wanted to create two different looks with such an amazing palette. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10, or even 11 out of 10 to be honest, because the pigmentations on these eyeshadows were simply amazing. If you guys enjoyed these two videos, or at least this little two-part series, give it a thumbs up. If you did, share it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. See ya.